नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य कृदन्तवर्गे अष्टमः पाठः, मे मासस्य 13 दिनाङ्कः। अद्य वयं नूल् प्रत्ययस्य इतरेषां धातूनां रूपाणि ज्ञात्वा अभ्यासं कुर्मः। आदौ मङ्गलम्। योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। अग्रे गमनात् पूर्वं किञ्चित् पुनरावर्तनं कुर्मः। नुल् प्रत्ययः अस्माभिः अधीयमानः तृतीयः प्रत्ययः। ल्युट् प्रत्ययं ज्ञातवन्तः, करणं पठनम् इत्यादि भावार्थकः सः प्रत्ययः आसीत्। ततः अनीयर् प्रत्ययं ज्ञातवन्तः, पठनीयं चलनीयम् इत्यादि, यः कर्मार्थकः प्रत्ययः, विध्यर्थकः अपि। अधुना नुल् प्रत्ययः अधीयते। नुल् इत्यत्र वु इति प्रत्ययः भवति। इत्युक्ते णकारः लकारश्च अनुबन्धः इति कथ्यते। वु इति प्रत्ययः, तस्य स्थाने अक इति आदेशः, अतः रूपेषु अक इत्येव श्रूयते। नायकः, पाचकः इत्यादि, कारकः इत्यादीनि बहूनि रूपाणि अस्माभिः दृष्टानि। सर्वेभ्यः धातुभ्यः अयं प्रत्ययः भवति। अत्र केनचित् पृच्छ्यते वयं कथं जानीमः, how do we know if the pratyaya is a general purpose which can be applied to all dhatus or only certain dhatus? अष्टाध्याय्या एव ज्ञातुं शक्यते। यथा मया उक्तं, प्रायः 140 कृत्प्रत्ययाः सन्ति, येषु 20 प्रत्ययाः स्युः ये साधारणप्रत्ययाः। Okay, so the general pratyayas are quite less. विशिष्टाः प्रत्ययाः एव अधिकाः। कथं ज्ञायते? अष्टाध्याय्यां सूत्राणि पश्यामः चेत् ज्ञायते। अस्मात् धातोः प्रत्ययः भवति अथवा ईदृशात् धातोः। So specificality can be of several kinds. अस्मात् धातोः अयं प्रत्ययः इति कदाचित् भवति, अथवा एतादृशानां धातूनां भवति इति भवति। सो तथैव ज्ञायते। अस्मिन् वर्गे अस्माभिः ये प्रत्ययाः अधीयन्ते ते प्रायेण साधारणप्रत्ययाः एव। So what we will learn in this class are mostly those which can be applied to all dhatus. तादृशानामेव अध्ययनं कुर्मः। पाणिनीयक्रमेण यदा कृदन्तानाम् अध्ययनं क्रियते तदा सर्वे प्रत्ययाः अध्येतुं शक्यन्ते। अयं नुल् प्रत्ययः साधारणः प्रत्ययः सर्वेभ्यः धातुभ्यः कर्त्रर्थे विधीयते। सो यः धातुः अस्ति तस्य कर्तारं बोधयति अयं प्रत्ययः। अतः पाचकः इत्युक्ते पाककार्यस्य कर्ता, कारकः कृ धातोः यः अर्थः तस्य कर्ता, नायकः यः नयति सः नायकः। अत एव यः पचति सः पाचकः, यः गायति सः गायकः, यः बोधयति सः बोधकः इत्येवं कर्तारं बोधयति अयं प्रत्ययः। भिन्नानां धातूनां नुलन्तरूपाणि कथं भवन्ति इत्यपि गतवर्गे दृष्टवन्तः। आकारान्ताः धातवः सन्ति चेत् मध्ये यकारः भवति। आ अक इत्यस्ति, मध्ये यकारे आयक इति रूपे श्रूयते। दा दायकः, धा धायकः, मा मायकः, पा पायकः इत्येवं रूपाणि भवन्ति। एजन्ताः धातवः, एच् इत्युक्ते ए ओ ऐ औ, तदन्ताः धातवः सन्ति चेत् तत्रापि मध्ये यकारः भवति। सो गै इति धातुः गा इति आकारान्तः भवति, ततः मध्ये यकारः, अतः गायकः। हुवे वायकः इत्येवं तत्रापि आयक इति श्रूयते। इकारान्ताः धातवश्चेत् तत्रापि आयक इत्येव श्रूयते। इकारः अथवा ईकारः अक इत्यस्ति चेत् आयक। श्री श्रायकः, नी नायकः। So all these three end in आयक। उकारान्ताः धातवश्चेत् आवक इति भवति वकारः, स्तु स्तावकः, भू भावकः इत्येवं रूपाणि। ऋकारान्ताः धातवश्चेत् तत्र आरक रेफः भवति। सो कृ कारकः, तृ तारकः इति रूपाणि। अदुपधाः धातवः. So adupadha is a technical term. It's nothing difficult. It just means akara, hrasva akara is in the upadha. Upadha represents the penultimate letter. There is one letter at the end. The letter before it is called upadha. So if the upadha is hrasva akara, we call it adupadha. Okay. So when hasva akara is the penultimate letter, tada tasya sthane dirghah आकारः भवति. So you have pat a th, you have p a th aka. So akarasya sthane आकारः. So you have p a th aka पाठकः. So akarasya दीर्घः भवति. यत्र अकारः उपधायाम् अस्ति उपान्त्यः वर्णः तत्र तस्य दीर्घः भवति. पाठकः पाचकः इत्यादि. सो अत्र ध्यानं भवेत्, सः उपान्त्यः एव भवेत्. यदि वन्द् इत्यस्ति तत्र अ न द इति वर्णद्वयमस्ति, अकारः उपधायां नास्ति, अकार इस् नाट् द पेनल्टिमेट् लेटर्, तत्र दीर्घः न भवति. Okay, so that is one common place where it is possible to get confused. When there is a sanyukta akshara at the end, there is no dirgha. यदि अन्तिमः वर्णः संयुक्ताक्षरः तर्हि दीर्घः न भवति। एतत् सर्वं गतवर्गे अधीतम्, अभ्यासः अपि कृतः स्यात्। प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? So any questions on what we did till last class?
Hello.
Namaste. Vadatu.
Namaste. So maybe not exactly related to it, but you had written bodhayati in while the dhatu is bodh. Why is it bodhayati and not bodhati?
Budhyate bodhayati. So there is also bodhati if the dhatu is buddha directly.
Okay.
This dhatu is budhyate is the original form, and the causal, he who makes you understand, is bodhayati. Budhyate
Okay.
swayam janati, yaha jnatum prerayati, saha bodhayati. So it is like pathati pathayati, budhyate bodhayati.
Okay. And similarly, pidayati, pidanam, is it causing suffering or actually suffering?
Pidayati means causing suffering, but there it's not a causal niche. I mean, uh, uh, the nijanta is of two kinds. Okay, one is called what we call the swarthe niche, preranayam niche. So Dashamaganasya dhatavaha ye santi, those which belong to the 10th gana of the dhatu patha, they have swarthe niche. So chorayati is not to make somebody steal, it is to steal. So
Okay.
tathayati is to tell, not to make somebody tell. So all dhatus of the 10th gana, they have swarthe niche, where the niche is swartha, that is, it does not have the causal thing. Whatever is the meaning of the dhatu, the same is the meaning. So that is only for those dhatus which belong to the 10th gana. But for all dhatus, we have a causal niche, which is pathati, pathayati, gachati, gamayati. So which is used in the sense of causing, making somebody else do it. Okay. So we have to know based on context whether it is the swarthe niche or preranartha niche.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Venkateshwaran Mahodaya.
Madam, you told that this null, then aniya, reverse order, aniya and then lut. All these pratyayas are, they can be applied to all dhatus. But such general dhatus are minority in number. But the general, the other majority dhatus are all special dhatus.
No, I don't mean the dhatus. Dhatu can be any dhatu, whether the dhatu is a regular dhatu or a special dhatu. You can apply these pratyayas to all dhatus, all 2000 or whatever. So what I mean by special pratyaya is those which are added only to a particular dhatu. So for example, there is a pratyaya called gmin, which can be added only to the vach dhatu. You get only one form out of it called vagmi, an orator. So you cannot add that pratyaya to any dhatu. So those are special pratyayas, not the dhatu. Okay. So ete pratyayaha sarvebhyah dhatubhyah bhavanti. So whether they are regular dhatus or special dhatus. Jayashri Mahodaya.
Hello. What I wanted to ask was Atmanepada and Parasmaipada. Is there any difference in that, or will it be because it is at the dhatu level? It will be there is no difference
pratyayeshu केषुचित् प्रत्ययेषु भेदः भवति एतेषु प्रत्ययेषु भेदः नास्ति अस्माभिः यदधीतं युट् अनीयर् णुल् एतेषां प्रत्ययानां विषये परस्मैपद आत्मनेपद भेदः नास्ति केषाञ्चन प्रत्ययानां भवति तदा जानीमः. So some dhatus, some pratyayas have that difference, not all. Maithili Mahodaya.
Namaste. For Vanda Dhatu, is it alright to say Vandakaha?
Yes.
Is that how it will be?
Yeah. Yes.
Because Vandamanaha is normally what we hear.
No. Vandamanaha is Anyaha Pratyaya, Shanach Pratyaya. Shatru and Shanach. So Pathan Vandamanaha. So Tatra Parasmaipada Atmanepada Bhedaha Asti. So Pathan, Likhan, Gachan iti bhavati. Atmanepada dhatunam tu Vandamanaha, Labhamanaha ityadi bhavati. So Shatru Shanach Pratyayau. Not Aka, null.
So in null it will be Vandakaha.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Sheila. Sheila Mahodaya, you have muted yourself. I think you have to unmute too. न श्रूयते. Okay. Sundararaman Mahodaya.
श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते.
some meanings are required. Ghayakah, the Mahaprana Ghayakah.
There is no ghayakah.
Dhayakah.
Dadhati dharana poshanayoh, to dharati or pushnati, to wear or to nourish.
And there is one more, Alpa Prana Dhayakah. That is the giver.
Dayakah, yes. Dadati dayakah. Dayakah.
Hvayakah, the second one.
Hvanakah is to call or to invite.
Inviter, okay. And lastly, the Bhavakah, the fellow who feels.
No. Bhu bhavati, the fellow who is. Bhavati bhavakah.
Bhavati bhav. And Sthavakah.
Sorry? Stavakah. Stavakah is to stauti, to praise, he who praises.
Acha, okay. Thank you.
अस्तु अग्रे गच्छामः अद्य अन्येषां धातूनां केषाञ्चन धातूनां रूपाणि अधीतानि अग्रे पश्यामः ततः पूर्वं कश्चन अभ्यासः काचित् क्रिया दृश्यते तदनुगुणं ण्वलन्तं रूपं वदनीयम् ये वक्तुम् इच्छन्ति कृपया हस्तम् उन्नयन्तु आदित्य पाचकः हाँ सो पाचकः पचति पच धातुः आकारः अकारस्य आकारः भवति पाचकः इति रूपम् गायकः गै धातुः गायति गायकः अयं गायकः नेक्स्ट नंदकुमार महोदय
हावकः
सम्यक् याजकः उभयं भवति जुहोति इत्येतत् हावकः यजति इत्यस्ति चेत् याजकः it's flying for the kriya dayate di dhatuh I think Nandakumar Mahodaya I was you have muted yourself I think I cannot hear you yeah
dayakah
dayate dayakah so flying I am dayate ding dayane so it is to fly dayakah iti rupam yes Paul
Probably I say Nayakaha or Dayakaha.
Dayakaha dadati so Dayakaha Dayakaha Garjati
Okay, yeah. Gargakaha, no. Garjayakaha. I can't get it. Garjayakaha.
There is no ya. It's only Garj. Garjakaha.
Garjakaha.
Yes. Garjati. Garjakaha.
Oh, okay.
Akaraha upadhayam nasti. There is a sanyukta akshara rj. So there is no dirgha. Garjati. Garjakaha.
Yeah, I caught that. I just mispronounced. That was another.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Sheshapriya.
what do you call for swimming?
Tarati.
Ha, tarati. Tarakah.
Tarakah. Tr dhatuh. Tarati. Tarakah.
Patakah.
Pathati. Pathakah. Samyak. Harmander Singh.
Dahati. Dahakah.
Samyak. Dahati. Dahakah. So we also have another word. Punati. Pavakah. So that which purifies is fire. Also that which burns. So dahati. Dahakah. Punati. Pu dhatuh. Pavakah.
Sells Vikrinati. Vikrayakah.
Samyak. Vikrinati. Vikrayakah. Kri dhatuh. Atah Vikrayakah. Dhanyavadah. So कानिचन केषाञ्चन रूपाणाम् अभ्यासः कृतः अत्र केचन प्रश्नाः जुहोति इत्यस्य किं भवति हु धातुः हावकः इति रूपम् सो जुहोति इत्यत्र हु धातुः उकारान्तस्य आवक अतः हावकः इति रूपम् अग्नेः ज्वालकः इत्यपि भवति यद्यत् करोति तत् सर्वं यस् ज्वालकः इत्यपि वक्तुं शक्यते सत्यम् अग्रे गच्छामः इकारः उपधायाम् अस्ति चेत् इकारः उपान्त्यः वर्णः so there is a letter before it you have the ह्रस्व इकारः तर्हि इकारस्य स्थाने एकारः भवति so this is very similar to what it was in both ल्युट् and अनीयर् यथा ल्युट् प्रत्यये यथा अनीयर् प्रत्यये तथा अत्रापि इकारः उपान्त्यश्चेत् एकारः भवति लिख लेखकः स्मरन्ति लेखनं लेखनीयं लेखकः सर्वत्रापि समानम् एवं छिद् छेदकः क्षिप् क्षेपकः समानरीत्या उकारः उपान्तिमः वर्णश्चेत् उकारस्य स्थाने ओकारः भवति मुद् मोदकः बुध बोधकः गुप् गोपकः उकारस्य स्थाने ओकारः भवति यदि उकारः उपान्तिमः वर्णः ऋकारः उपान्तिमः वर्णः चेत् तस्य स्थाने अर् इति भवति नृत् नर्तकः सो ऋकारस्य स्थाने अर् नृत् नर्त् नर्तकः वृद् वर्धकः कृष कर्षकः so all these three are exactly the same change that we saw in both ल्युट् and अनीयर् उभयत्रापि समानं भवति so मोदनं मोदनीयं मोदकः बोधनं बोधनीयं बोधकः नर्तनं नर्तनीयं नर्तकः इत्यादि इकारस्य स्थाने एकारः उकारस्य स्थाने ओकारः ऋकारस्य स्थाने अर् इति भवति यदि एते वर्णाः उपान्तिमवर्णाः उपधायां सन्ति ओके एतत् स्मर्तव्यं ह्रस्वस्य एव इदं भवति यदि ईकारः अस्ति पीड् पीडकः इत्येव न तु पेडकः एवं पूज् पूजकः यदि दीर्घः अस्ति तर्हि आदेशः न भवति ह्रस्वस्यैव भवति सो ह्रस्वः इकारः ह्रस्वः उकारः ह्रस्वः ऋकारः अभ्यासं कुर्मः धातुः उच्यते तस्य नुलन्तं रूपं वक्तव्यम्। हरमन्दर सिंह महोदय उक्तम्।
शोभकः
क्षोभकः। हाँ
भृज् भर्जकः
भर्जकः सम्यक्। क्षुभ क्षोभकः भृज भर्जकः। जयश्री sorry
mid will be medakah.
mid medakah.
And drish will be darshakah.
दर्शकः दृश् दर्शकः सम्यक्। सो पश्यति इत्यस्य दर्शकः, सो व्यूअर्स् इत्यर्थे दर्शकः इति प्रयुज्यते। शोभा
द्युत् द्योतकः
द्योतकः द्युत् द्योतकः।
श्लिष् श्लेषकः
श्लेषकः श्लिष् श्लेषकः सम्यक्। सो क्षुभ संक्षोभणे is to agitate, भृज भर्जकः to fry, mid is to fatten, become fat or to become oily, drish to see, dyut is to shine, shlish is to cling to something, to be joined to something. Okay. इतोपि केचन धातवः सन्ति। रामप्रिया
गृञ्ज्
गुञ्ज
गुञ्ज भोञ्जकः।
सम्यक् पश्यतु।
इञ्ज् भवति किल, इञ्ज् उपधायां भवति। गुञ्जकः
गुञ्जकः अत्र उकारः उपधायां नास्ति। सो whenever there is a संयुक्ताक्षर ओकारः न भवति। ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म ब्रह्म अम् अस्ति। ब्रह्मकः ब्रह्मकः
अत्रापि उपधायां नास्ति। यू हैव द अनुस्वार in between. ब्रह्मकः इत्येव। ब्रह्मकः ब्रह्म ब्रह्मकः। Here also rakara is not upadha. So there is ha, there is anuswara, and before that you have the rakara. अतः अत्रापि अर् इति न भवति, ब्रह्मकः इति रूपम्। सौम्या सौम्या विजय कुमार महोदय, you have self muted.
Yeah, नमस्ते। शिक्षकः
शिक्षकः। सो अत्रापि इकारः उपधायां नास्ति। देयर इज क एंड श, एकारः न भवति।
क्रीडकः
क्रीडकः
ईकारतः दीर्घ भवति।
दीर्घः सत्यं। दीर्घः अस्ति चेत् एकारः न भवति। सम्यक्। सुन्दररामन् महोदय।
भूषकः
भूषकः। सो दीर्घः उकारः अस्ति चेत् ओकारः न भवति। भूषकः।
निन्दकः
निन्दकः सम्यक्। निन्द निन्दकः। सो अत्रापि इकारः अस्ति किन्तु न द वर्णद्वयम् अस्ति। सो यत् कुत्र भवति इति ज्ञातव्यं, कुत्र न भवति इत्यपि ज्ञातव्यं। should realize clearly under what conditions you have the change, कुत्र न भवति इति। So gunjakaha, gunjati. Gunjati is to hum, to make a humming sound. Brumhati is to grow or to trumpet. The call of a elephant, the call of an elephant is also called brumhanam. So shikshate, to learn. Kridati, to play. Bhushati, to adorn something. Nindati is to condemn or to scold somebody. Okay. So evam hrasvaha ikaraha ukaraha rikaro va upantimaha varnaschet ikarasya ekarah bhavati ukarasya okarah rakarasya ar iti bhavati. Okay, so ete samanya niyamaha. These are the general rules for different kinds of dhatus. व्याकरणरीत्या पश्यामः चेत् किं भवति इति चेत् अजन्तानां वृद्धिः. Okay, so vriddhi is the karya which we say for nul. What is this? So e or e becomes I, that is vriddhi. So after you have I, there is a sandhi to make it ayaka. Okay, ikarantanam ayaka iti bhavati, atra vriddhihi ityuchyate. So etat smartavyam vyakarane. So there are some concepts which are worth remembering or understanding, even if you have not studied the sutras. Vriddhi, okay, vriddhihi a I au ityetesham vriddhihi ityuchyate. So ye ajantaha, any swaranta dhatus, you have the vriddhi. So who, how, have. Okay, so havakaha, bhavakaha. So kr, kar, so tr, tar. So all these are covered by the single word called vriddhi. Okay, sarvam adhitameva. Vyakarana drishtya katham iti chet ajantanam vriddhihi bhavati. Adupadhanam yatra hrasvaha akaraha upadhayam asti tatrapi vriddhihi. Vriddhihi ityukte akaraha. So path, path, pathakaha, pach, pach, pachakaha. So nul pratyaye ajantanam adupadhanam cha vriddhihi bhavati. Achoiniti ata upadhayaha iti sutradvayam asti tena bhavati. Laghu igupadhanam gunaha. So ik, I, U, R, L. Te upadhayam santi chet gunaha. Okay. A, E, O is guna. A, I, Au is vriddhi. Okay. So atra gunaha. Ateva ikarasya ekaraha. So likh, lekhakaha. Ukarasya okaraha. Tud, todakaha. So vrit, vartakaha. Okay. So puganta laghupadhasya cha iti sutrena gunaha bhavati. So akarantanam dhatunam yakaragamaha bhavati. So da, y, aka, dayakaha. So if you have ejanta, it becomes akaranta, and then you have the yakara. So gai, ga, gayakaha. Okay. So ato yuk chinkratoh iti sutram. So this is the vyakarana aspect of nul generally. Samanyatah evam rupasiddhihi bhavati. Vyakarana drishtya pashyamaschet kutra vriddhihi, kutra gunaha, kutra yakaragamaha. Tavadeva. So samanya drishtya janimah chet akarantanam ejantanam ayaka iti bhavati. So ikarantanam ayaka, ukarantanam avaka, rakarantanam araka iti bhavati. Hrasvaha akarah ubhayam asti chet dirghaha akarah bhavati. So ikaraha, ukaraha, rakaraha upantimaschet e, o, ar iti bhavati. Okay. So these are the general rules for nul. Nul pratyayasya samanya niyamaha ete. Vishesha rupani santi. Okay, but in nul there are special cases much more than either in lut or aniyar. ओके तत्र तु सामान्यतः यत् कार्यं भवति तदेव भवति किन्तु णुल् प्रत्यये विशेषरूपाणि सन्ति तानि ज्ञातव्यानि अत्र मया सर्वाणि विशेषरूपाणि न कथ्यन्ते अस्माकं पट्टिकायां ये सन्ति so in our list of kradantas in the list of dhatus which we have so the around 375 dhatus तत्र येषां धातूनां विशिष्टानि रूपाणि भवन्ति तान्येव मया कथ्यन्ते okay हन् इति धातुः अस्ति हन्ति मारयति इत्यर्थे सामान्यतः पश्यामः चेत् किं भवेत् अकारः अस्ति अतः हानकः इति भवेत् न भवति हानकः इति असाधु घातकः इति रूपं विशिष्टं रूपं विशिष्टं सूत्रम् अस्ति लेट्स नॉट वरी why so we just have to know the form is घातकः very popular use घातकः इति सर्वत्र भवति यथा घोरताटका घातकराम मारीचादि निपातकराम इति नामरामायणे ताटकायाः घातकः नाम ताटकां हन्ति इत्यर्थः हन् धातोः घातकः इति रूपम् एवं जागृ धातुः अस्ति जागर्ति so to be awake इत्यर्थे so ऋकारान्तः धातुः वृद्धिः आर् यथा कृकारकः एवं जागृ जागारकः इति भवेत् न भवति so जागरकः इति रूपं जागृ जागरकः अत्र वृद्धिः न भवति गुणः भवति जागरकः इति रूपम् okay so मृज धातुः मार्ष्टि so to clean शौचालङ्कारयोः to clean or to decorate so मृज ऋकारः उपधायाम् अस्ति अर् इति भवति चेत् मर्जकः इति भवेत् न भवति मार्जकः एतत्तु पूर्वमपि दृष्टम् ल्युडन्ते अपि मार्जनं मार्जनीयं मार्जकः मृज धातोः सर्वत्र वृद्धिः भवति अतः मार्जकः इति रूपम् जन धातुः जायते to be born so जन धातुः तत्रापि हन् इव यदि अकारस्य दीर्घः भवति जानकः इति भवति वस्तुतः जनकः इत्येव रूपं जनकः इति प्रसिद्धं जनयति इति जनकः जायते इत्यपि जनकः जनयति इत्यपि जनकः एवं हन् घातकः जागृ जागरकः मृज मार्जकः जन जनकः इति रूपाणि so special forms which have to be remembered that way okay. एकं सुभाषितं पठामः अश्वन्नैव गजन्नैव व्याघ्रं नैव च अजापुत्रं बलिं दद्यात् देवो दुर्बलघातकः इति सूक्तिः okay. It's a humorous saying on even the gods सामान्यतः बलिः इति यदा दीयते तदा अजा a goat is taken for sacrifice and not अश्वः न गजः न व्याघ्रः न किमर्थं देवो दुर्बलघातकः दुर्बलान् हन्ति so those who are weak that is just to inspire strength okay वाच्यार्थः न you should be strong ityarthe uchyate devo durbalaghātakah even God will not help those who are weak so you should be strong first and then you can be helped through others so tatra ghatakah so han dhatuh ghatakah iti रूपं हन्ति इति घातकः अन्यं श्लोकद्वयं पठामः एतत् आनन्दरामायणे विद्यते सो बहुविधानि रामायणानि सन्ति तत्र आनन्दरामायणे रावणः हनुमन्तं प्रति कथयति सो पञ्चाङ्गपाठकश्चायं पश्य ब्रह्मा कृतो मया प्रतीहारस्त्वयं सूर्यः शशी छत्रधरः कृतः वरुणोऽयं जलग्राही मार्जकः पवनस्त्विह अग्निः कृतोऽयं रजकः मालाकारः शचीपतिः. सो हनुमन्तं प्रति रावणः कथयति मम बलेन मम पराक्रमेण सर्वेपि देवाः मम सेवकाः कृताः सेवन्ते इति सेवकाः. कीदृशाः? ब्रह्मा किं कृतः? पञ्चाङ्गपाठकः, पञ्चाङ्गं पठति. राज्ञः स्थाने प्रतिदिनं पञ्चाङ्गपठनार्थं केचन भवन्ति. तत्र ब्रह्मा पञ्चाङ्गपाठकः कृतः. सूर्यः प्रतीहारः, प्रतीहारः नाम द्वारपालकः, यः द्वारि रक्षकत्वेन तिष्ठति सः. सूर्यः प्रतीहारः. शशी छत्रधरः, शशी नाम चन्द्रः, चन्द्रः रावणस्य छत्रधरः, छत्रं धरति, छत्रं गृहीत्वा रावणस्य पृष्ठतः तिष्ठति. वरुणोऽयं जलग्राही, वरुणः जलग्राही, रावणस्य कृते जलम् आनयति. यदा कदापि जलं नयति, यत्र यत्र रावणः गच्छति तत्र तस्य जलस्य घटं नयति. मार्जकः पवनस्त्विह, पवनः रावणस्य गृहाणि हर्म्याणि मार्जयति. मार्जकः, तत्र मार्जकः इति रूपस्य उदाहरणत्वेन दृष्टं दत्तः अयं श्लोकः. वरुणोऽयं जलग्राही मार्जकः पवनस्त्विह, पवनः नाम वायुः इत्यर्थः. अग्निः कृतोऽयं रजकः, रजकः वस्त्रक्षालकः, यः वस्त्राणि क्षालयति शुद्धं करोति सः रजकः. अग्निः रजकः कृतः. मालाकारः शचीपतिः, शचीपतिः इन्द्रः, मालाकारः रावणस्य कृते मालाः करोति इति. सो अस्माभिः दृष्टं पाठकः मार्जकः. An interesting feature of the shloka is all the words used here are all kridantas. प्रतिहारः, छत्रधरः, जलग्राही, रजकः, मालाकारः सर्वेपि कृदन्ताः. सो अग्रे केषाञ्चित् अध्ययनं कुर्मः. केचन कानिचन रूपाणि इदानीम् अधीतानि सन्ति. नुलन्तरूपं तु द्वयमस्ति, पाठकः मार्जकः इति. पठति इति पाठकः, मार्ष्टि इति मार्जकः. So प्रश्नः, रजकः, रजकः sounds like null. It is not exactly null. अन्यः प्रत्ययः रञ्ज् धातुः, तत्र श्वुन् इति प्रत्ययः, अतः रजकः इति भवति. अन्ते पश्यामः विशेष अंशेषु सः नुल् न. सो पाठकः मार्जकः इति पदद्वयं नुलन्तम्. So let's remember this, and then maybe at the end of the course in this shloka we can find out how many we have learned. Himamshu Mahodaya?
The thing, Jian has put the file, but he has not put the information about fonts and...
Sorry. अग्रे अन्यः एकः विशेषः द्रष्टव्यः. चुरादिगणस्य धातवः सन्ति अदुपधाः यत्र अकारः उपधायाम् अस्ति. क्षालयति वस्तुतः धातुः क्षल धातुः, क्षालकः इति भवति. सो ताडयति तड धातुः, सो ताडयति ताडकः. लालयति लल धातुः, लालयति लालकः. छद धातुः, छादयति छादकः. सो एतानि रूपाणि भवन्ति. अन्ये धातवः सन्ति. कथयति कथ धातुः, कथकः न तु काथकः. गणयति गण धातुः, गणकः. rachayati, rachakaha, varayati, varakaha. Okay. So there are two kinds of dhatus. Atra katham smartavyam iti chet nijanta रूपे यदि दीर्घः अस्ति नूलन्ते अपि दीर्घः भवति. यदि निजन्ते दीर्घः नास्ति तर्हि नूलन्ते अपि दीर्घः न भवति. This is only for dhatus of the Churadigana. Okay. So when we, in all cases, when we are using nijantas for nul, it will always follow the forms of nich. So kshalayati dirghah asti chet kshalakah, tadayati tadakah, lalayati lalakah, chadayati chadakah. So yatra dirghah nasti tatra nulante api dirghah na bhavati. Okay. So asmakam pattikayam, if you look at this, the dhatus of the Churadigana, so Churadiganaha itah arabhyate. So yatra dirghaha bhavati tatra maya, in the modified, the B column already has a dirgha. So yadi dirghaha asti tarhi nulante api dirghaha bhavati. Okay, so don't get confused with the original dhatu. So yatra column B dirghaha asti chet dirghaha bhavati, dirghaha nasti chet na bhavati. Churadigane eva. This applies only to Churadigana. Anyatra sarvatra yadi akaraha upadhayam asti tarhi dirghaha bhavati. Churadigane tu, so kath kathakaha, kal kalakaha, natu kalakaha, evam gan ganakaha. So chad chadakaha, tad tadakaha, rach rachakaha, rah rahakaha. So atra yadasti dirghah asti chet dirghah bhavati, no chet na bhavati. Okay, so that is something to be remembered. Churadigane akarasya dirgham na kurvantu. If there is no dirgha in the column B, then nul will also not have a dirgha. Okay. So kutra bhavati, if you are curious, kutra dirghaha, kimartham keshanchid dhatunam atra dirghaha asti keshanchin nasti, then we can tell that looking at the original dhatu. Tenapi vaktum shakyate. So I'm just telling this so for those who are curious. Atra dhatau antimaha varnaha anunasikaha asti chet dirghaha bhavati. So yatha, if you look at say tad, tada, dakarasya upari chandrabindu. So the chandrabindu indicates anunasika. Okay. So anunasikaha asti chet dirghaha bhavati. Okay. Yatha kshal, kshala ityatra lakaraha, lakarasya anantaram akaraha anunasikaha, tatra dirghaha bhavati. Yatra anunasikaha nasti, yatha katha. So there is no chandrabindu, no dirgha. So kala dirghaha nasti. So that will hold good everywhere. Okay, that is the original logic. Panini's logic is that. So tenaiva kramena maya atra dirghaha krataha. So anunasikaha asti chet dirghaha bhavati. Nijante api bhavati, nulante api bhavati. Anunasikaha nasti chet dirghaha na bhavati. So gana remains as gana, does not become gana. Okay. So tenaiva kramena racha anunasikaha nasti ataha dirghaha nasti, raha dirghaha na bhavati. Okay. So the easier way to remember is always to follow the nijanta. Nijanta rupam yatha bhavati tatha bhavati. Okay. So spashtam. Any questions regarding this? Okay. So this is the second category of Vishishta Dhatavaha. Adau Keshanchana Dhatunam Vishishtam Rupam Drishtavantah. So इदानीं चुरादिगणे अकारः अस्ति चेत् कथं तस्य निर्णयः इत्यपि दृष्टम्. The third one, a bit more complicated. अमन्ताः धातवः यत्र धातौ अम् इति श्रूयते. यथा गम, गम धातोः रूपं भवति गामकः. नम धातोः रूपं भवति नामकः. So यम यामकः, रम रामकः. अत्र विशेषः नास्ति, अकारः उपधायाम् अस्ति अतः दीर्घः. किन्तु अन्येषु केषुचित् धातुषु क्रम धातोः क्रमकः, भ्रम भ्रमकः, क्षम क्षमकः, दम दमकः. सो कुत्रचित् दीर्घः न भवति. ओके. कुत्र दीर्घः भवति कुत्र दीर्घः न भवति कथं ज्ञातव्यम् इति चेत् the only way to know this point is to know the swara. Okay, so there were some people who were asking initially atra moola dhatuh asti, what is the purpose? Okay, moola dhatu, there are there is the anunasika marking. So when I say anunasika, it is for the swara. Okay. So ऊकारः अनुनासिकः, इकारः अनुनासिकः. So tasya kim prayojanam iti drishtam. So we have seen some uses. There are also some other markings in this which is called the swara. So if you look at this, tarja, there is a line below, whereas in chada there is a line above. There are some cases which are no markings. Okay, these are called the swara markings, swara चिह्नानि. ये येषां वेदपाठस्य परिचयः स्यात् ते अवगच्छन्ति. स्वरत्रयम् अस्ति, उदात्तः अनुदात्तः स्वरितः इति. सो किं नाम उदात्तत्वं नाम किम्, अनुदात्तत्वं नाम किम् इति इदानीं ज्ञातव्यं नास्ति. So there are just three entities which are marked. So upari, swarasya upari chinnam asti chet, a line above the swara indicates swarita. A line below the swara indicates anudatta. So no marking indicates udatta. So udatta swarasya kimapi chinnam na bhavati. Swarita swarasya upari rekha bhavati. Anudatta swarasya adhaha rekha bhavati. Okay. So etadadharena iva etad vaktum shakyate. So the difference is only based on the swara. Okay. Yatra dhatau udatta swaraha asti tatra dirghaha na bhavati. Yatha, if you go back and look at this, krama dhatuhu, moola dhatuhu kramu. So there are no swara markings, right? Evam bhrama dhatuhu भ्रमु इति मूलधातुः, क्षमु दमु. Okay, कुत्रापि स्वरः स्वरचिह्नं नास्ति, which means that these are all udatta swaras. Okay. मूलधातौ उदात्त स्वरः अस्ति चेत् दीर्घः न भवति, सूत्रे एव तथा अस्ति. Now if we look at these dhatus, gaml, so the ga there is anudatta, it has a line below. एवं नम यम रमु सर्वत्रापि अनुदात्तः अस्ति, अतः दीर्घः भवति. यदि उदात्तस्वरः तर्हि दीर्घः न भवति. यदि अनुदात्तः अथवा स्वरितः यदि अस्ति तर्हि दीर्घः भवति. Okay, so this is only for dhatus which end in am. There is no other way to make a distinction. अतः यदि अत्र अवगमने क्लेशः नास्ति. It is just to see if the swara, if there is a different swara. If there is no swara marked, then there is no dirgha. If there is a different swara, then there is dirgha. Ityeva sutrashah. Atayeva. That is why we have all this marking. Okay, so we keep asking. I mean, so many people have asked, kimartham? Why do we have all this? That is Panini's way of distinguishing the swaras. Okay, so there are many different purposes. One of those is this: yatra dhatau ante iti shruyate tatra drashtavyam. Okay, so we have many dhatus in the list which end in tatra yadi moola dhatau swaraha udattah tarhi dirghah na kartavyah yadi anudattah tarhi dirghah karaniyah. Okay. So there is an exception to this also, two dhatus. So kamu dhatu, where it is udatta tathapi dirghah bhavati. So kamakaha vamakaha. So don't worry about them. The general rule at least you can try to understand. So idanim yadyapi kleshah asti punaha shrunvantu avagamanam bhavati. It's not difficult. So it's just an extra rule to remember other than the usual one. Okay. Prashnaah santi va etavata? Any questions so far? So we have covered the general rules for deriving the forms of null. So samanyatah kim bhavati iti jnatam, vishesha rupani api jnatani. Okay. Atra ekah prashnah ganadhatau anunasikah asti kila iti prashnah. So we are not talking about the anunasika on the nakara. Okay, anunasika vyanjana. We are talking about the anunasika swara as indicated by the chandra bindu. Okay, so anunasika swaraha asti ched dirghah bhavati, anunasika swaraha nasti ched dirghah na bhavati iti vyavastha. Okay. So we have covered the general cases and also the special cases for all normal dhatus. Okay. Anyah ekah prashnah asti ल्युट् प्रत्ययः सर्वदा नपुंसकलिङ्गः तर्हि नुल् प्रत्ययः केवलं पुल्लिङ्गः वा इति न, नुल् प्रत्ययस्यापि लिङ्गत्रये रूपं भवति. अग्रिमवर्गे तस्य विषये पश्यामः. So the last thing I want to cover for today is nijantanam null. By nijanta I mean the causal niche, prerana. So gatavarge eva bahubhihi uktam pathati ityasyapi pathakah iti bhavati, pathayati ityasyapi pathakah. So in most of the cases you cannot make a distinction between the null on the original dhatu and the nijanta dhatu. Moola dhatoh pathati kevalasya dhatoh nulantah nijantat nulantah prayena samanah bhavati. Okay, rupam prayena samanam, pathati pathakah, pathayati ityapi pathakah. Katham jnayate tarhi bhedah iti chet prasangadeva jnayate, only based on context. So यदि कश्चित् कथयति पाठकः इति, सः पठति वा पाठयति वा इति प्रसंगादेव ज्ञातुं शक्यते, रूपं दृष्ट्वा ज्ञातुं न शक्यते. प्रायेण तथैव नयति नायकः, नाययति इत्यपि नायकः, यः नेतुं प्रेरयति सः अपि नायकः. भवति भावकः, भावयति इत्यस्यापि भावकः. So karoti karakah, karayati ityapi karakah ityeva. So likhati lekhakah, lekhayati lekhakah. Bhunkte bhojakah, bhojayati bhojakah. So samanyatah kevala dhatoh nijantasya cha. So nijanta is the causal form. So reads to make somebody read, to carry to make somebody carry, to write to make somebody write. Okay. So kintu prasangat jnayate. So even though the forms are similar, if looking at the meaning, it is always possible, I mean most of the cases it is possible to know if it is on a only dhatu, or if the causal is there. Okay, it is dependent on the meaning. What is the meaning intended? Okay, so atra nulantam diyate. So there is a nulanta which is given. Tatra kriyapadam kim bhavati. So kevala dhatuhu va nijantah va iti jnatum prayatnam kurmah. So putraha anandakarakah ityasti. श्रीराम महोदय.
नमस्ते. पुत्रः आनन्दं कारयति.
कारयति, करोति. Does he make somebody else to give ananda, or does he give ananda himself? Karoti iti dadati ityarthe prayogah. He who creates ananda.
Okay. Putra anandam karoti.
Karoti. Swayam anandam karoti. He does not make somebody else to generate ananda. He gives saha swayam anandam karoti. Ataha ananda karakah.
Ayam dhanikah धर्मपोषकः. धर्मं पोषयति.
धर्मं पोषयति इति धर्मपोषकः. सम्यक्. Sharada, you have muted yourself.
मम गुरुः उत्साहवर्धकः. उत्साहं वर्धयति.
वर्धयति. उत्साहः वर्धते, सः उत्साहं वर्धयति. अतः उत्साहवर्धकः. So there is the niche. So अर्थेनैव ज्ञायते. So उत्साहः वर्धकः, गुरुः उत्साहवर्धकः, उत्साहं वर्धयति.
अर्चकः स्तोत्रपाठकः, स्वयं पठति.
सत्यम्. अर्चकः
स्तोत्रं पठति.
अर्चति इति अर्चकः. तत्रापि णुल्. स्तोत्रं पठति इति स्तोत्रपाठकः.
द्रोणः अर्जुनस्य पाठकः, पाठयति. द्रोणः पाठयति.
पाठयति अर्थात् ज्ञायते, सः पाठयति, न तु स्वयं पठति. सो यद्यपि उभयत्र रूपं समानम्, अर्थवशात् कुत्र निजन्तस्य अर्थः. सो वेर् वी हैव द सेन्स ऑफ मेकिंग somebody else do it, तत्र निजन्तः इति ज्ञातुं शक्यते. अन्यथा स्वयं कर्ता इति ज्ञायते. किन्तु कानिचन रूपाणि सन्ति यत्र निजन्ते भेदः अस्ति. So there are forms where the केवल धातोः नुलन्तः निजन्ता नुलन्तश्च भिद्यते. ददाति इत्यस्ति. ददाति इत्यस्य नुलन्तं भवति दायकः. दा धातुः दायकः. ददाति इत्यस्य निजन्तं किम्? Does anybody know? निजन्ते किं भवति? यथा पठति पाठयति. ददाति सत्यं दापयति. तत्र नुलन्तं भवति दापकः. सो दायकः स्वयं ददाति चेत् दायकः, दातुं प्रेरयति चेत् दापकः. ओके, तत्र भेदः अस्ति. ददाति दायकः, सो दापयति दापकः. तिष्ठति स्थायकः. स्था धातुः स्थायकः. सो तिष्ठति इत्यस्य निजन्तं किम्? स्थापयति. तर्हि स्थापकः. सो स्थायकः स्थापकः. सो गायति गायकः, गापयति गापकः. सो अधीते अध्यायकः. सो इ धातुः आयक, अधि आयक, अध्यायकः छात्रः इत्यर्थः. यः तु गुरुः सः अध्यापकः, so अध्यायकः अध्यापकः, so क्रीणाति क्रायकः, क्रापयति इति रूपं क्रापकः, अन्यान् क्रेतुं प्रेरयति, say a salesman who is advertising something is a krapakah. So yatra nijante bhedah asti, so always the nulanta follows nijanta. Nijanta rupam yatra bhinnam tatra nulanta rupam api bhidyate. Okay, so here you have dayakah dapakah, sthayakah sthapakah. So etadrisha sthaleshu नूलन्त रूपे भेदः द्रष्टुं शक्यते. ओके, सो अन्यत्र न शक्यते. सो प्राप्नोति प्रापयति उभयत्रापि प्रापकः, प्राप्नोति इत्यपि प्रापकः, प्रापयति इत्यपि प्रापकः. सो देयर द pakara is from the dhatu. So here all, for all akaranta, wherever you have the akaranta, so you have the pa as the agama in nich. So also for other dhatus, for in dhatu, for kri dhatu, etc. So vishishtani sutrani. So tatra sarvatra nulante bhedah drishyate. Okay. So these are cases where you can make out a difference between the nul on kevala dhatu and on a nijanta. Anyatra bhedah na bhavati. अर्थं दृष्ट्वा भेदः ज्ञातव्यः. Okay. So अन्तिमः अभ्यासः चित्रोद्यमः. So in making say a movie on a television, so there are several बहूनि कार्याणि क्रियन्ते. तेषां कर्तारः नूलन्तेन निर्देष्टव्याः. कः करोति इति, किं कार्यम् इति मया ल्युडन्तेन निर्दिश्यते, प्रायेण ल्युडन्तेन. तस्य नूलन्त किं भवति इति वक्तव्यम्. Okay. So निर्देशनम्, so निर्देशनम् is direction. Okay. ये वक्तुम् इच्छन्ति हस्तम् उत्तोलयन्तु. मैथिली.
निर्देशकः
निर्देशकः यः निर्दिशति, निर्देशनं करोति सः निर्देशकः, डायरेक्टर इत्यर्थः. So निर्माणम् or निर्मापकः is he who makes. Nirmana is to create, but the producer is actually he who helps to create it. He doesn't create it. I mean, the other artist create it. Saha nirmapakaha is the usual word for a producer. Okay. Katha lekhanam.
कथा लेखकः
Katha lekhakah. So lekhanam lekhakah. So story writer or the script writer. Katha lekhakah. Next, Sridhar Mahodaya.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Geeta Rachanam. Rachakah. I am Churadigane. Rachayati Rachakah.
Geeta Rachakah.
Geeta Rachakah, the song writer. Okay.
Chaya Grahanam. Chaya Grahakah.
Chaya Grahakah. Satyam.
Shabda Grahanam. Shabda Grahakah.
Shabda Grahakah. So Chaya Grahak. Graha dhatuhu Grahakah. Okay. So Chaya Grahakah. Shabda Grahakah. Next. Those who have not tried so far, please. Yeah. Lalita Singh.
Alankaranam. Alankarakah.
Karoti. Alankaroti iti kriyapadam. So what is for karoti?
Karanam.
Then will. Karakaha. Right? So alankarakaha.
Yes.
So alankaroti, alankarakaha.
Yes. Vastra vinyasanam.
So the dhatu there is actually as. Vi, ni, as. So as ityasya
Vastra vinyasakah.
Samyak. Vastra vinyasakaha. So the costume designer or the fashion designer. Okay.
Nritya nirdeshanam. Nritya nirdeshakah.
Nritya nirdeshakaha. So the one who directs the dance. So nirdeshakaha. Mahadevan.
Ganam. Gayakaha.
Gayakaha. Gai dhatuhu. Ga. Gayakaha.
Vadanam. Vadakaha.
Vadakaha. Vadayati. Vadakaha.
Karya nirvahanam. Karya nirvahakaha.
Nirvahakaha. So vahati. Vahakaha. So karya nirvahakaha. Samyak. So next. Venkateshwaran.
Sangalanam. Sangalakaha.
Sankalakaha. Sankalakaha.
Sankalakaha. Lokarshanam.
Lokarpanam.
Lokarpanam. Lokarpakaha.
Lokarpakaha. Arpakaha.
Prachara. Pracharakaha.
Pracharakaha. So he who does the publicity or advertising.
Yes.
Varadan.
Yeah. Vitaranam. Vitaranakaha.
Which
Vitaraka. Okay. Pradarsanam. Pradarshakaha.
Pradarshakaha.
Vimarshanam. Vimarshakaha.
Vimarshakaha. Samyak. Okay. Evam bahuni padani santi. So actually nulanta is one of the most useful forms for deriving somebody who does something. Okay, for deriving the forms of professions. Agrima vargepi pashyamaha. So if you look at the the credits of old movies, even in Kannada and in Hindi, many of these words would be used because they are derived from Samskrita to define these professions. Okay, so sometimes they would be in nul and sometimes in lyut. Ubhayathapi nirdeshaha. So if you observe the titles, credits of movies, you will see many of these words which are used. Okay, so adya अनेन स्थगयामः। अग्रिमवर्गे भिन्नेषु लिङ्गेषु ण्वलन्तानां रूपाणि एवं भिन्नासु विभक्तिषु प्रयोगः इति उभयमपि जानीमः। Okay. So that's it for today's class. प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु। Okay, I just lowered everybody's hands because I was not sure who raised it for answers and who raised it for questions. प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् इदानीं हस्तमुत्तोलयन्तु। Okay. Varadam.
One of the earlier exercises, it says Lekanyaha. Is it a masculine or a feminine gender? Lekanya.
Lekhani, it is strilinge. Lekhani, lekanyau, lekanyah. Strilinge.
Strilinge, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Aditya.
गुरुभ्यो नमः। यतोहि वितरणम् इत्युक्ते वितरकः तत्र भवति, परन्तु तरणम् इत्युक्ते तारकः इति भवति, अतः
वितारकः एव वितारकः। Oh sorry, that's a typing error. Tarati तारकः. So
धन्यवादः महोदय। तत्रत्ये यदि पूर्वं उपसर्गः भवति चेत् किमपि भिन्नः भवति वा?
न भवति, न भवति। नुलन्ते भेदः न भवति। मैथिली।
In one of the slides, you showed us two apavadas, exceptions for the Udatta, Anudatta, Swarupasara. In that, that one word was kamu. In that, the swara chinna is there, but you were showing
not on the first swara, not on the. That is why I said the first. It's a bit.
Kamu. This is the one.
The first is Udatta. The second is Anudatta, but that goes to the end. This is Udatta. Ka, the A there is Udatta.
So we should look only at the first.
Yes, it's written here. Prathama swaraha. I mean, even in Tuvama it is the swara on the va which matters. The one which is immediately following the first letter of the dhatu. Okay. The other swara is what we call it as Anubandha. So it will, that is not what matters, it is the one which stays.
So in Tuvama, it will be the va.
Va, the A on va, yeah. Anyway, in that all letters are Udatta, so it does not matter.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Yes, Malakondaya Mohane.
हरि ओम्। सूत्रेषु उपदेशे इत्युक्ते के आगच्छन्ति?
Dhatu Ganavanaadi Vakyalinga Anushasanam. So anything is Upadesha, basically whatever is in the sutra, the pratyaya, the adesha, the agama. Anything you get out of a sutra basically is almost Upadesha. That which is the original form in which something is given is Upadesha. So the way a dhatu is given in the dhatu patha is Upadesha, or the way a pratyaya is given in the sutra is Upadesha. Okay. So we have that list in the somewhere. So they say dhatu, sutra, gana. So dhatu patha, the sutra patha, the gana patha, vartikas, the linganushasana, agama, pratyaya, adesha. So all these are treated as upadesha.
अस्तु अस्तु महोदय.
Harmander.
I tried to put the question in writing also, but now it appears more need to ask. We had earlier putra anandakaraka, something like that. So doesn't the meaning become more like putra anandam karayati rather than karoti?
See here.
Because sun is the source of or cause of joy or something like that.
What is the meaning of karoti here? So see, whenever there is a cause, there should be somebody in between who actually does the work, right? So if I say gamayati, say putraha pitaram gamayati, so putra makes the father go. Okay, so the cause, what we are talking about niche, so there is somebody who makes him to go and there is somebody who does the actual work. Okay, so in anandam, if you say anandam karayati, who is that in between who actually does the ananda?
Who is saying putra, no? The father or the mother, no?
They feel the ananda. The karoti is to do. So the karoti here is used in the sense of generating. When I say ghatam karoti, it means he creates.
Okay. So the meaning is saying, sorry, you mean we are still saying that the parents get the joy, but it's written as anandam karoti. Is that right?
The parents feel the joy, but do you say pita anandam karoti? What is the meaning of anandam karoti? That is what I'm saying. I mean, the confusion I understand. It is because of the meaning of karoti itself. When we are saying anandam karoti, what is the meaning of karoti? So karoti here is to create. When I say ghatam karoti, it means he creates a pot. So similarly, anandam karoti creates ananda. Who creates ananda?
So you mean that in this case, putra anandam karayati would make no sense at all. Is that true?
Yes, it is not, because there is no intermediary karta. Whenever we are using a preranarthaka niche, a causal niche, there is always somebody in between who is responsible for actually carrying out the action. Okay. I mean,
I'll try to come to grips with it. Thank you very much.
Yes, I mean the thing is understandable because the meaning of karoti itself is to cause something. That is the confusion. Though niche is a causal thing, here the dhatu itself means to create or to cause something. So a causal on that would be a double causal. Okay, so we'll maybe sometime when we discuss niche, we'll understand this better. So we understand that when I say anandam karoti is to create ananda. Anandam karayati is to make somebody else create ananda. Here it is the son who creates happiness or who generates happiness. Okay. Ataha tatra nijantam nasti. Okay. Okay. अन्ये प्रश्नाः. श्रीराम महोदय.
ड्रामा इत्यर्थे नाटकः यदा वदन्ति तद् नट् इति शब्दस्य इन्वलन्तं वा?
It is natakam.
Okay.
It is not the kartari nul. I'll check out what is the actual pratyaya, but it is not kartarartha. So it should be something else. I'll find out what is the nishpati of natakam.
Okay. Tata in this anandam karoti karayati yadi ल्युट् प्रत्ययस्य प्रयोगं कुर्मः आनन्दनं करोति
Satyam.
Is that correct usage?
Correct, yes.
Like Anandanam Karoti, in this the parent is Anandanam Karoti. Tata
Putraha eva Anandanam Karoti. Anandana is to delight. Okay, so.
Okay, even there it is Putraha Anandanam Karoti.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Venkataraman Iyer Mahodaya.
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति महोदय। धातोः रूपं न शक्यते। How to differentiate?
Sorry?
Kru also karakah. Kru also karakah.
Arthayana iva. Only based on the context and meaning.
Okay. धन्यवाद.
Malakondaya.
हरि ओम्. उदात्त अनुदात्त स्वरित विषये सन्देहः अस्ति. उच्चैरुदात्तः इत्युक्ते रेखा उपरि भवति चेत्
न सः अर्थः न. That is not the meaning of उच्चैरुदात्तः or this. So
नीचे अनुदात्तः.
That is not talking about the mark at all. See, the mark which we use are what we use to differentiate the swara. So the above mark is for swarita, below mark is for anudatta, and no mark is udatta. Okay. So uchairudattaha ityadinam kaharthaha ityadi vishayeva sutre lekhanam na uchyate kalu. सूत्रकारः लेखनस्य विषये न वदति, सः तु उच्चारणस्य विषये वदति. तत्रापि भेदः अस्ति. See, Panini, for this case, those sutras are actually pretty confusing. So they do not fully represent what is udatta, anudatta, swarita. Prayogena iva jnayate ityeva satyam. And it very definitely does not talk about writing. So the writing chinna has nothing to do with uchairudattaha. So
तदैव अस्ति चेत् स्मरितं किञ्चित् सरलं भवति.
नास्ति, सम्प्रदायः एवम् अस्ति. See, udatta swara is the most common, and there is also when you are marking Vedic swaras, there is a difference. There is udatta and there is prachaya and so on. So the standard mark accepted is above is swarita, below is anudatta, and unmarked there are differences. Okay, so
सङ्गीतविषये किमपि भिन्नः अस्ति वा तदेव अस्ति वा?
These swaras are not related to Sangeeta. Sangeetasya lekhanam bhinnam. It's a different convention altogether. So these swaras are only the Vedic swaras, the Traiswarya, what we have, the Udatta, Anudatta, Swarita.
Sangeete kadam bhavate?
Too out of scope. Sorry, अत्र तु तस्य एतत् कर्तुं न शक्यते.
अस्तु 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 महोदय, धन्यवादः.
Maithili.
I'm sorry, but I just have to come back to my earlier doubt for the Apavadaha. My doubt is now in Kamu, we are looking at the second letter.
It's not now, the second letter, as in the first swara. Yeah.
First swara, yeah, that it doesn't have. Now in Tuvama, the significant one is va. Now supposing, just for assumption's sake, there was a line chinna, swara chinna under 2. Now should we take that into account or should we ignore it, and how do we know which
the it samya, all the different the it. See, that is the in Panini and Samya there are what we call the Anubandha or the it samya letters. So in this particular case we are not considering the it samya. 2 you do not, I mean it goes off, it is deleted by it samya. The is also deleted by it samya. The only swara which remains in the dhatu is actually vam. The on v, that is the dhatu which remains in the dhatu. We look at what is that swara. That's it.
But how do we know which one to look at? Should we look at the second column in our table? Now, if we look only at the dhatu rupaha, we will not know which one is the significant one. So I mean, move the second column.
you should look at Itsamya Prakarana, if you ask me. If you understand what is Itsamya, then you will understand it. So the Itsamya is not big. It's only 8 sutras which give you what is it and what is not it. So in this case, we remove all the Itsamya letters and look at what remains. Okay, what remains in Kamu is Kam. What remains in Vam to Vama is Vam. Okay.
And Itsamya means the aksharas that are removed.
Yes. They are marker letters. So letters which are removed and they are not heard in the form.
So you ignore the chinnas in the Itsamyas.
For now, for this purpose. We cannot ignore it always. For this purpose.
For this purpose?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's much clearer now. Thank you.
Okay, so there were some questions which are written. I'll quickly go through this. Yeah, Deshika iti shabdaha. So it is not mul. So it's a unadi pratyaya. So even though it looks like kanul, the this of dishu would be deshaka. So deshika is a special pratyaya. It's a different pratyaya. Okay, so again there's some question about Natakam, which I'll look at the Nishpati of Natakam and let you know what is this thing there. So okay, any other questions quickly? So we are nearing the end. Yes, Aditya.
महोदय कृषि इति धातोः कृषकः इति भवति वा कर्षकः इति भवति वा?
नूलन्तरूपं तु कर्षकः इत्येव. कृषकः इति रूपम् अस्ति, but that is not mul. So that is again a different pratyaya. Okay, unadi pratyaya to derive krishaka. The nulanta form would be karshakaha only.
कर्षकः वृत्ति इत्युक्ते वर्तकः वा अथवा अन्यत् रूपं?
वर्तकः एव.
वृद्धि इत्युक्ते
वर्धकः.
एतौ नुल् प्रत्यय इत्येव वा?
Which one? Yes, वर्तकः, वर्धकः. Yeah, all those are null. Yeah.
कृषकः इत्युक्ते का रूपः, का प्रत्ययः भवति?
I have to find out. It's an unadi pratyaya. It's not a normal usual pratyaya. So if you look at any of the dictionaries, I mean the Sanskrit, the Shabda Kalpadrum or something, you will be able to get it.
संस्कृते कर्षकः इत्युक्ते फार्मर् अथवा अन्यत् किमपि अर्थः भवति वा?
अन्यदपि भवितुमर्हति. यः कोऽपि कर्षणं करोति. कर्षण is also used to drag. अतः कर्षकः. You have आकर्षक, attractive. So akarshati iti akarshakaha and so on. So any of the range of meanings in which the dhatu is used could be used.
धन्यवादः.
Yeah. Nanda Kumar Mahodaya.
I have two questions. One is, I was under the impression that Anunasika is the fifth letters in the Vyanjana, Nganyana, Nama. This interpretation is not for me.
No, that also. They are also any letter which is pronounced with the nose and the mouth. Mukhanasika vachanaha anunasikaha. So any nasal sound is, a sound which is produced with the help of the nose is anunasika. So among consonants we have the fifth letter of the varga. We also have a few others. But all swaras have a nasal tone. So you can say a, you can say a. So so there is a nasal tone to it. So all swaras have a nasal variant, which we call anunasika, and that is indicated by that chandra bindu above the swara.
Okay, there is a new knowledge. The other question is, I had written it in some of the notated books of Vedic chanting. There are other notations also. For example, double vertical line on top, horizontal line on top.
Horizontal on top, I don't know, I've never seen. Double vertical is called a dirgha swarita. So it's a swarita with dirgha. So that is there. So as I said, see, notations are all always the conventions for a particular thing. So Vedic recitation is something which is purely oral in our tradition for a long time. So now that it has been converted to written form, there are some notations which are evolved, which should be known purely in a Vedic context. Okay, so along with
Udatta, okay, the Udatta, Anudatta, and Surita. Udatta is the normal sounding, Anudatta is the lower tone, and Surita is the higher tone, right?
Yes, general understanding is yes, right, correct. Okay. So the other notation, so having the double Swarita and all, so they all have a significance in the Vedic context. So what is originally Swarita, what is derived, and so on. So all that are better studied in that particular context, because interpreting them out of context will not work.
Okay, in grammar we are concerned with these two only.
Yeah, as far as grammar is concerned, Panini mentions these three swaras, Udatta, Anudatta, Swarita. Particularly with regard to dhatus, they are very important because they give a lot of information on how the forms of the dhatu will be. For example, as we saw in Amanta, so if there is Udatta, then there is no Dirgha. So there are many such purposes which the swaras on the dhatus serve.
Okay, thank you.
So as far as Vyakarana is concerned, more than the Ucharana, we are just, it is just three categories. Okay, so Udatta, Anudatta, Swarita. We just identify them with the help of marks. Okay, even Ucharana does not matter for Vyakarana. It's only, okay, is this Udatta, is this Anudatta, is this Swarita? Okay, that's what we do, which is totally different from what it means to the Vedas. Aditya. You have a question or?
यतोहि वृ इत्युक्ते वाहकः इति भवति वा अथवा वर्हकः इति भवति वा?
वह वाहकः, वृ वारकः।
वरिता इति भवति
sorry?
वृ इति वरिष्यति इत्युक्ते टु मैरी तावद्रीत्या वारकः अथवा वरकः इति भवति।
वारकः, so if the dhatu is vru, it is varaka ityeva.
धन्यवादः।
वेंकटरामन अय्यर।
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति। वैदिक उच्चारणे अनुदाता means अल्पप्राणः।
No, never. There is Alpa Prana is a totally different thing than Anudatta.
No, we pronounce it in a lower note.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes.
Here in one slide you have shown that Ram, Ramakah. There it becomes Dirgha.
Yes.
So in Vyakarana it is the other way around. Gamakah.
See, there is no, Dirgha does not have. What is the question? Sorry, I am confused. What is the question? What I am saying here is, if the dhatu is Udatta, then the Nulanta form does not have a Dirgha. If the swara in the dhatu is Udatta, then the Nulanta form does not have a Dirgha. So if the swara is not Udatta, then there is Dirgha. There is no direct relation between Udatta and Dirgha as such. It is only in this particular context.
So basic Vedic notation and here grammatical notation have no correlation.
See, I am not saying no correlation, as in
there I am a little bit confused.
Yes, I understand. I am also confused how to tell it. See, when you are saying Ramu, the two swaras are Anudatta. And the Nulanta form happens to be Dirgha. Okay. So
Raswa Akara Dirgha, it becomes Ramakah.
Yes.
That rule applies.
Yes.
Am I right?
Sorry? Yeah.
No.
There is
Upanya Akaraka, Raswa Akaraka, Bhavati Chet, it becomes gam gamakah.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
So normally only this one becomes dirgha. So if the swara is udatta, then there is a nishedha which says it does not become dirgha. Okay. So yes, where is Harish Mahodaya? Maybe you can do it better. You are a Vaidika.
Namaste. So see, the difficult thing in this is the dhatu with the swara, the ucharana, that system is kind of lost.
Exactly.
At this point. So that is one thing that you will have to remember. Now the Vedic swaras and these swaras are supposedly same. I don't think there is any difference in that.
Yes, yes.
One thing that we'll have to...
It's not practical. I mean, we don't use it for ucharana. That is the only difference.
We don't use it for ucharana. Yeah. Only thing I think what he asked, one thing that people typically get confused is the anudata, udata, swarita, etc. They are only meant for the achvarna. It is not for vyanjana. So for example, if we say a kakara has a udata or anudata, we actually mean the akara inside the kakara actually has that swara. So the question of alpa prana and mahaprana on a particular swara does not make sense as well. Yeah, so that is what I wanted to say.
Yes, so see, yeah, dhanyavada. So alpa prana, mahaprana is a totally different thing which has nothing to do with the swaras. So the swara thing is different. Anyway, so okay, we'll finish the class. Just the last one, somebody asked me to explain this again. So this is nothing. Ravana is boasting to Hanuman about how he has reduced all the gods to the status of his servants. Okay. Kaha kaha devaha king king karoti. Brahma panchanga pathakaha. Ravanasya asthane panchangam pathati. Suryaha pratiharaha. Suryaha dvarapalakaha. So Surya is, or the sun is a guard at the doors of Ravana. Shashi chhatradharaha krataha. So the moon bears or holds Ravana's umbrella. Varunaha jalagrahi. Varuna carries water for Ravana. Pavanaha marjakaha. So Vayu is used as his cleaner. Agnihi rajakaha krataha. So fire is washes his clothes or cleans his clothes. Shachipatihi malakaraha. Indra strings garlands for Ravana. So he is just boasting about how he has made, or he is controlling all the gods. Okay. So tatra pathakaha marjakaha iti padadvayam nulantam iti asmakam uddishtam. So we'll stop. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guror matirasti gurau mama pahi guro. Dhanyavada.